I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic Saras Radio Telescope. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why in news, followed by key facts, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about mock interview program of Analyst IAS, which is very important for you to get flying colors in your personality test of UPSC CSE 2022. So you can inquire about it on the following number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our topic of discussion and see why it is in news. In a first of its kind work using data from Saras 3, researchers from the Raman Research Institute, Bengaluru, the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization in Australia, along with the collaborators at the University of Cambridge and University of Tel-Aviv, have estimated the energy output, luminosity, and the masses of the first generation of galaxies that are bright in radio wavelength. So this brings Saras telescope into limelight, and now we will discuss about the same. It is also called shaped antenna measurement of the background radio spectrum 3 or Saras telescope. It is indigenously built and it is built at Raman Research Institute. Deployed over Dandi Ganhali Lake and Shravati backwaters located in northern Karnataka in early 2020. Saras 2 was the first to inform the properties of the earliest star and galaxies. The results from the Saras 3 telescope are the first time that radio observation of the averaged 21 cm line have been able to determine the properties of the radioluminous galaxies formed just 200 million years post the Big Bang or the cosmic dawn, and which are usually powered by the supermassive black holes. Saras 3 informs us that less than 3% of the gaseous matter within the early galaxies was converted into stars, and the earliest galaxies that were bright in radio emission were also strong in X-rays, which heated the cosmic gas in and around the early galaxies. It is used to reject the claim of the detection of an anomalous 21 cm signal from the cosmic dawn made by the Aegis radio telescope developed by researchers from Arizona State University and MIT, USA. This refusal helped restore confidence in the concordant model of the cosmology that was brought into question by the claimed detection. The analysis has shown that the 21 cm hydrogen signal can inform about the population of the first star and galaxies. So this was about Saras 3 findings. Now we will discuss in detail about the study. Scientists study the properties of very early galaxy by observing radiation from the hydrogen atom in and around the galaxies emitted at a frequency of approximately 1420 MHz. The radiation is stretched by the expansion of the universe as it travels to us across the space and time and arrives at the Earth in the lower frequency radio band of 50 to 200 MHz, also used by FM and TV transmission. The cosmic signal is extremely faint and buried in order of magnitude brighter radiation from our own galaxy and man-made terrestrial interference. Therefore, detecting the signal even using the most powerful existing radio telescope has remained a challenge for the astronomers. The uses include even the non-detection of this line from the early universe can allow astronomers to study the property of the very first galaxies by reaching the exceptional sensitivity. So this was about the significance of this particular study. Now moving further toward our prelims practice question. The question says, consider the following statement. First, light is affected by gravity. Second, the universe is constantly expanding. Third, matter warps its surrounding space-time. Which of the above is or are the prediction or predictions of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity often discussed in media? Your options are 1 and 2 only, B 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D all of the above. You have to pick up the correct statement and write it in comment box. I will answer this particular question in my next video. Moving further toward our yesterday's question. So the correct answer for this particular question is D, as all of the above forces are responsible for bringing dynamic changes on the surface of the earth. Moving further toward our mains practice question, the question says, why capturing visual of a black hole was a challenge? Discuss the significance of first visual from the Event Horizon Telescope. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further update. Thank you.